Tamam.
Hello everyone, today I'm gonna tell you about our final project. Our project final name is King of a Decade, which stands for CSGO. In summary, we researched about CSGO's popularity reasons. We found some reasons to explain it, and we will tell the reasons with visualizations of them. These reasons are: CSGO is a free-to-play game, have low system requirements. It offers people many choices on their preferences and streaming success on streaming platforms. Then we decided to study on streaming platforms data. Our final goal is predicting CSGO popularity for next months from today using forecast profit regressions. We define game popularity concept in here, and here are our keywords. This is our introduction part. First of all, we adding the necessary libraries in Jupyter Notebook. We use well-known libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplot, and sub-libraries such as Model Selection, Grid Search, CV, R2 Score. Here are some examples of them. Third, we include the datasets in this project. After the libraries are imported and we started to find datasets for CSGO and its popular competitions, player numbers and Twitch viewer numbers for Turkey and global. After that, we started to do reshape data to serve our subject best. We cleaned the unnecessary data from them. First dataset is whole player data, that's CSV. We use these datasets from Steam users' data. This dataset provides us average player of games, game names, game profits, percentage, such as in this you can see the gain of the number 0. This is a cut from a part from this dataset. Our second dataset is Twitch game dataset. We use this two features of them, the global and the streamer one. This is about Twitch viewers. Twitch users provide us this data. This data's subjects are game names, timeline, hours watched, our streaming peak, viewers numbers, peak channels, streamers, but we didn't use the streamers data. We only use for game, the CSGO. At fourth step, we visualize the data. When we are done with reshaping our data to their more suitable versions for our project, we move into our next step, visualizing the data. We use some library functions for this. First function we use is pie chart, which is a well-known. This is a circular graph. We use only 3 games in here because the others are so small and barely see them, so we just eliminate them. Our second method is bar chart. A bar chart displays categorical data with rectangular bars whose length and or height corresponds to the value of each data point. This is a very common one, everybody knows that. Our third method is scatter plot graph. This is my favorite because this dots when it gets density in here, and this line shows us the project's destination. Our fourth method is line chart. This is a well-known method. A line chart or line graph displays the evolution of one or several numeric variables. Data points are connected by straight line segments. Our fifth step is regression with profit by forecast, which is prepared by Facebook and very successful and easy to use. Profit is a procedure for forecasting time series that based on an additive model where non-linear trends are fit with nearly weekly and daily seasonal plus holiday effects. And we also talked about the R-square method. Compares your model's predictions to mean of the targets. Values can range from negative infinity to 1. In this visual from our code, our R2 score, y-test, we split the data sets and the values are shown the when known. This is our references, by the way. Let's talk about our codes. These are our libraries, and this is Steam dataset. This is about their knowledges. Steam has 467 rows and 8 columns. Twitch is way larger than this one. Here are our visualization part, and this is a bar chart. As you can see, April 2021 values, and this is February 2014. It's a very large graphic for Counter-Strike Global Offensive. This is Battle 5 bar chart, Tom Clancy's Apex and Team Fortress. This is another bar chart for this project. In this line chart, we use some extra methods that I want to show you. As you can see, you can choose the game and see its data. It's completely useful and easy to use, actually. Let's keep it in CSGO. And our next dataset is seeing very well in here. In regression analysis, we use R-squared profit method. Model score is about 0.999115, which is not great, but it's okay to use. R-square compare our models predict to mean of the targets. Values can range from negative infinity, and its R-square value would be 0. And if your model perfectly predicts a range of number, R-square value will be 1. As you can see, our values is true, so this project is successful. And another visualizing data, and here let's keep here. Let's keep moving here. Let's prepare our variables for this. We change datasets a little bit and call it some data. Here are our codes for this profit methods. Let's keep going. In this regression profit, pilot CSGO and pilot forecast go. As you can, this graphic, it's about later 2022 to 2023. The models also easily gives us the changes points times in the datasets, and let's take a look at the datas and their places in the dataset. This is a dataset for CSGOs. As you can see, months. This is our graph, and our final result is here. In 79th line, we predict 31st of June 86,447 hours of playing CSGO. We reached this score with Twitch data. that's all. And I already in here.